In this video, I will be showing the top 5 secret Instagram tips, tricks and hacks. So if you wanna view other story without letting them know or you send cool looking messages just like so, then continue watching today's video till the very end. Do sub if you think these tricks were cool. My name is Fazil and let's begin. Number 1. Hiding your post. By the use of this trick, you can hide any post like video or picture on your Instagram account that you didn't want it to post it but you still posted it, but now it already got a good reach and you cannot delete it, but you can hide it without stopping your reach. Let me show you how you do that.
To this, what you have to do is go on that particular post you want to hide. Let's say I want to hide this particular post or picture. I'll just click on the drop down above, tap on archive, and as you can see, just like so, the photo is hidden. You cannot see anymore on my profile. But if you change your mind or you just want your photo back, what you have to do is just tap on this tiny icon, click on it. Now click on this drop down above 3 lines. Now click on archive here. Now here click on post archive. Make sure you click this option. Now as you can see, our photo is hidden right here. Now just tap on your photo, click 3 dots, show on profile, and just like so, if we just go, our picture is shown on the profile again.
Number 2. Funky messages. So this trick is for funky people. By the use of this trick, you can send creative type messages. No more talking, let's show you now.
Go to the chat section. Now just click on the person you wanna send the message to, the cool looking messages. Now just type in the messages. Let's say I'll just quickly type happy birthday, and as you can see, I typed happy birthday. Now click on this search icon, and now as you can see on the top, you can see different type of themes like the gift one, the heart one, I think this is a newer one, and the fire one. So let's say I select the happy birthday one, and as you can see, my message is in a gift. Now if the person tap on it, happy birthday. This is a really cool looking way to send messages, and I personally like this one for someone's birthday, so definitely try it out.
Number 3. Reading messages without seeing. Using this trick, you can read any message without letting the other person know that you read the message. And for this trick, you don't need any kind of software or any application or need to visit any website. It's easy, so let's go.
Read any message without seeing. What you want to do is search that person profile up or just open it up. So I'll just search it up. So that's a profile I want to see the message, and also don't want the other person to know. So now what you have to do is tap the 3 dots above the really small one. Now click the very first option, the restrict one. Click on it. Now it will just show your message. Just click dismiss. Now there's one more step. What you have to do is go to the message section. Whatever the message the person sent, go there. Click on the request. It will say 1 request, 2 requests, whatever. Just click on request. Now as you can see, the profile is shown here. So just freely tap on the profile and you can read the message just like so without letting the person know. The person won't know, and you can also unrestrict them from here if you want to, and that's like so.
Number 4. Boomerang stickers. In this trick, you can send these type of funky messages, but just keep in mind you won't get this option if your account is switched to business.
So what you have to do is open the chat of the person you want to send, which is obvious. Now once you open the chat, click the sticker. Now here click on selfie option. So now let's click on selfie option. Now it will show your face using your selfie camera, and now select a theme like the love one, crying one, or the laughing one, etc. And once you selected your theme, just click on this boomerang option and record your video just like I'm doing it and send it. This will definitely make your chat interesting.
Number 5. Viewing story without letting the person know. By the use of this trick, you can view anyone's story on Instagram unless if the account is private, but you view anyone's story without letting them know on their page. It will show that you saw the story but you actually did. And for this trick also, no app, no website, no software stuff. So let's go.
So to view someone's story without letting them know, open the story section. As you can see there, it is the story section. So now what you have to do is just go back a few story, and let's say I will go back like 2 story behind, and let's say I tap on the story, I click the story. Now I can go 1, 2, and now there it is the story. I can just hold on to the screen and I can see the story, and the person won't know that I saw the story. Or you can also take a screenshot and look it like later, however you liked it. So let's go to the other account and see whether it says my name that I saw the story. And as you can see, it does not say my name, so that's how you do it.
So by using this trick, you will be able to see the story in a spy way. Wait, I still got a bonus trick for the people who watched till the end. So by the use of this trick, you can create like rainbow text stories on your Instagram account. Like all the characters will be like in rainbow type thing. You won't get it. Let's go and show you.
Create a story first. Now write some text. Click this color option above. And now just select the text and at the same time long press on one of the colors and keep deselecting it as you move the color dial, and this will give you a unique rainbow color text. As you can see, it looks pretty cool.
Thank you so much for watching till here. So that's all the tricks and hacks I got for this video. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment me any video suggestion you want next. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.